Elbows forward, and then Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I have my main man Naz here. He gets regular chiropractic care. How long have you been at Hulsa, with the practice that I work at? And why do you come and get adjusted?
Well, I think I've been here for nearly 2.5, 3 years now.
Yeah,
actually.
you've been amazing.
I've seen you from day one here as well.
Absolutely, yeah.
I found you in my sports centre.
Yeah.
And I had issues, but when I came I didn't realise how bad the issues were.
Yeah.
You let me know straight away.
Yeah.
And I keep coming here because I still have these issues. I have certain different. I always realise how many more new issues I have by talking to you. I'm like, oh, I have this thing that I don't think is related to chiropractic, and you're like, everything's related to that.
Yeah.
So I just keep coming to get adjusted. And
Yeah,
nice.
and have you found like you've gotten stronger through your adjustments, like with gym, everything like that, or?
I feel mentally better as well.
Amazing.
As physically better.
Yeah.
Because I feel like, especially after the neck adjustments, I feel like my head feels a lot lighter.
Yeah.
From headaches and everything.
Yeah.
So it's really good.
Yeah, no, he's been amazing. I mean, him and his, you'll meet Harley soon. They came in together, and they're still getting adjusted, and such a blessing, and so grateful to always help you. So thank you so much. And we're going to get Naz adjusted now and just get him in the right position. He's been so excited to get on this now. He's cool. Let's get you in your front for me, please.
What have you been up to the last 2 weeks?
What have I been up to? It's been raining a lot. So we actually went to an escape room on Sunday.
Oh, wow.
Never done that before, but it was really, really cool. And so we had a good time there. And then, just trying to get back into my running, Naz. But it's been a little bit tough.
Did you get the escape room in a good time?
I know.
Get out.
Well, we got out, but I think we had 5 minutes to go.
All right.
So
At least you completed it.
have you done it before?
No, but I've always wanted to.
I think you'd love it.
I think I would love it. Yeah.
And then, not much to write home about. Just doing my thing, really. Nice big breath in. And drop it. Beautiful. And in. And drop it too. Lovely, beautiful. So right side's going close to the buttock, and then left is not moving as well as it should. So we just want to get that restored. Oof, that's tight there, huh?
It's my posture.
Yeah.
Working from home is tough.
Yeah.
I mean, I say that I can fix it quite easily, but I just like my spot the same way.
Got it. Nice. Hold that through. Nice big breath in, please. And 3, 2, 1. And in. And good job. You're working from home now, hey Naz?
I've been working from home since March.
Yeah. And how have you found that different to working from an office?
Well, I can wake up earlier.
Yeah.
Later, sorry.
Yeah.
And,
But like in terms of your sitting position, have you felt that you've had more tension in your back since sitting at home than it's sitting at an office?
100%.
Yeah.
Like, at my office, the chairs are ergonomic and you can adjust everything. And I feel like on my spot on the sofa now there's a massive dent, so it's even worse.
Yeah.
I'm just like sloping to one side. I feel like you can feel on my body what side I slope on.
Yeah, all on that right hand side, and then there we go, right there. Nice big breath in, and out. There we go. Okay, so it's moving a little bit better, but it's still a bit stubborn. On your right hand side, for me, please, facing me.
I feel like all my work has been undone in the last 7-8 months because of my bad posture all the time.
Well, I always say it's not your fault. It's just sometimes the environment we're in which causes it, Like I always say, like sometimes you can't change your job. I can't be like, oh, you get bad back, you need to stop your job, because that's not financially viable. But if we can just keep that movement going forward, that's good. And then, drop it through. Lovely. That was nice movement, eh?
That was quite nice.
That was quite nice. So a lot of people ask, like, is it effective if you don't hear the crack? Yes, it is. You don't need to have that cracking noise, but it is just so much more, what's the word I'm looking for, Naz?
Satisfying.
Satisfying, absolutely. Hands behind your neck, please, young man. Yes, here we are. Elbows forward, and then arms down. Lots of movement there. Good. Sneak there. Good. Hold that through. And yeah, this is called an activator gun. Some chiropractors use it, but we're just going to get some movement here. Cool. Nice big breath in. And out. 3, 2.
Did not enjoy that one.
Yeah, no, that's enough. Well done, brother. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Legend. Thank you very much. Hey guys, it's Dr. Dean here. Welcome to my channel. As I've just said, I'm Dr. Dean. I'm also known as the Celebrity Chiropractor. If you are not on YouTube, you can follow me on Instagram. And if you like what you see throughout my chiropractic journey, how I get people better, please like and subscribe to see more here.